Let's suppose you want to sell your computer and therefore you delete all your files. But however, that's not completely safe because there are ways to recover those files. But in this video we will write a script to have Python destroy those files. The technique we will use is by changing the content of those files first and then delete them with Python. So this is how we're going to do this. We use the path object as usual. This is a root directory where the files you want to delete are located. Destination in our case, which has these 3 CSV files. This one, that, and that. Each of them has some content inside. So you want to iterate over root dir with glob. You have to be careful here, so don't use rglob if you're not sure what you're doing, because rglob will also go through subfolders, so you don't want to change files that you don't want to change. So CSV, we want to get all the CSV files, so the extension could also be important here because you specify that you want to work on the CSV file. And the technique to change these files is by using the open function, which gets as a path each file of the root directory and opens it in WB mode. WB means write mode and B means binary. So this method works also for binary files, but also for text files. So we go here and we say as file and file write. Now we want to write a byte object which goes like this, B, and then in quotes you enter the so-called bytes. And I'm going to leave this empty, so just an empty binary file, and yeah, that's it. Now if I run this, okay, I forgot the in here, so let's run again. The execution finished, apparently, and if you open now these files, these are empty. Before we had that content 1, content 2, etc. So we had some content, now we have not the same files. And of course this is not enough, so we also want to delete the file using the unlink method. So after the with context manager ends, you see this is unindented, it's not part of the with context manager. You want to delete that. For example, let's add one more time some content there and to run the script. Yeah, so the files are first changed and then deleted. So that's the complete script. Thank you, I'll talk to you later.